Good evening, all of you. Good evening, everyone. How are you all? How are you all? All of you had your tea, coffee, hot water, everything. Everyone, how are you? Right. Hello. Nobody. Nobody is responding. Nobody is there in the class. Somebody respond. Okay. So here we'll be starting our discussions on which one. This is surveying, right? Generally, that surveying which will be starting from tomorrow, right? Surveying plus course will be starting in tomorrow's class. No, all of you, right? Surveying plus course will be starting in tomorrow's class. So regarding that, we'll be discussing here, because right, introduction to the new plus course, that is a surveying with which one? Weightage, you can say, right? Here, those who did not subscribe, okay, we'll come to that a bit later. 1 second. Right. Everyone, how are you? Nobody is there? Somebody come to the class, right? Right. This is introduction to this new plus course, and yeah, Nagalakshmi, Nilesh, Prasad. Good morning, everyone. Sorry, good evening, everyone. Right. Now coming to this here. Yeah, Putin Baba and Jai Sri Ram. Okay. Right. Good evening, Putin Baba. Right. So here, congratulations to SSC JE State AE 2022 rankers from Unacademy. So these are all the rankers from Unacademy, you can say, everyone. Right, in 2022. So 2023, you have to add your name, right? So will you be getting your name? Right, I'll be waiting for your name to be added here. Right, your photo and your name to be added here. I'll be waiting for this, all of you, right? Now, so here this SSC JE State AE AWE State AE JE course. So it is now available in which one? This English, all of you, right? It is now available in which one? English, everyone, all of you, right? Okay. Manas Kamal Bora, yes, good evening. Fine. Okay. So all of you had your tea, coffee, everything, or nothing you had? Everyone had your tea, coffee, hot water, juice, anything, or nothing you had, everyone? Right. So here this offer will be ending today. So whenever you are trying to subscribe to this plus courses, now you just subscribe by today itself, right? Yeah, Ashwin Babu, good evening. Because today will be the last date for this offer, right? How many of you are aware that today will be the last date for this offer? So today will be the last date, so don't miss this, all of you. RP Civil is the code you have to use, everyone. Right, now coming to this. So at present you will be having which one? This a 10% price drop will be there, and a 25% discount on your subscriptions will be having, right? So what is that you wanted to have? RP Civil is the code you have to use, everyone, right? So 6 months when you are taking now, so from tomorrow onwards the price will be increased by 10%, right? 12 months and 24 months subscription, this is the price you are having now, all of you, right? After applying this referral code, okay, right? So these new batches will be starting from today, means today KP sir will be giving orientation, and tomorrow onwards I will be starting that surveying subject, okay? Yeah, PhD student. PhD करके आया सभी, कौन सा PhD कर लिया? Right, this is this batch name is Samarth batch, everyone. It is a full length batch, okay? KP sir and myself will be there, right? So what is that referral code you have to use, all of you? RP Civil is the code you have to use, everyone, right? So KP sir will be taking, and myself only will be taking, right? We both only will be taking the technical subjects, right? So especially the technical subjects we both only will be taking. Non-technical subjects, अरे यार ये इंग्लिश का है पुतिन बाबा। ये इंग्लिश का कोर्सेस है, इसलिए मैंने इंग्लिश में बोल रहा है पूरा का पूरा। ओके, या यस यस आई नो प्रतीक, यू आर। तो कल शुरू होने वाला सब कोर्स ये इंग्लिश का है ना, सो this goal itself will be completely English का है, right? हिंदी का नहीं है, so इसीलिए मैं खुद English में बोल रहा है. Okay, got it? Now, Putin Baba, right? Here, what is that examinations will be covered with this if you just observe. So this SSCJ, okay, I'll be giving this a handout for this batch, upcoming batch, all of you. So just enroll for this batch, everyone, right? Yes, right, absolutely, right. It will be started from 0 level, so no need to worry about it, right? No need to worry about it, right? So you will be capable of answering every question in the examination, right, after completing the course, right? So the Samarth batch, enroll for this. Those who did not enroll, right, those who are plus, already having plus subscription but it did not enroll for this batch, you just click on this enroll, right? Have you seen this? You can find this enroll, na? Yes or no? You can just enroll for this, everyone, right? Now, so what are the examinations covered? SSC JE examination and all state AE examinations are covered. The language of teaching will be completely in English only, right? So there is no Hindi, completely in English only you are having, right? This is gate, this is not gate, this is not gate. So who said gate? This is not for gate, right? This is not for gate. This is only for which one? This is SSC JE and all state AE JE exams only, right? Not for gate, right? A gate ke liye nahi hai. Okay, this is not for gate. Now, so 31st July it will be starting today. So KP sir at 8 PM will be giving the orientation for you. 8 months duration it will happen, right? Monday to Friday will be having the classes, and so Saturday also will be having, don't worry. So 3 to 4 classes per day they will be there, and 5 to 7 hours we are having. Okay. KP sir and my subjects will be running parallel. Technical subjects, other subjects will be general studies, GK and GS subjects also will be running along with that, you can say. Okay, don't miss this. And now these are all the subjects I will be taking, right? These are all the subjects I will be taking in this course. Okay, don't worry. So you know which subjects: surveying, steel structures, engineering mechanics, transportation, SOM, structural analysis and RCC. Okay, and you know these major changes in the SSCJ examination. No conventional paper, only you are having which one? This objective in the prelims and in the mains also, right? Now this is the Airport Authority of India junior executive vacancies you are having, all of you. Now, so this is a batch corresponding to that, you can say recorded batch will be there. Now, so here introduction, new plus course, weightage and preparation you are having, right? Now coming to this, if you just observe, estimation KP sir will be taking. So idhar hai na estimation and costing hai na, KP sir will be taking about this, right? KP sir will be teaching this estimation and this costing. Okay, right? Now so coming to this new course details, right? So when the course will be starting, all of you, if you just observe, the course will be starting on 1st August, right? The course will be starting on which one? This 1st August. That is which one? That is which one? This tomorrow it will be starting, right? Tomorrow it will be starting, right? And it will go up to which one? This 24th August, all of you, right? 1st August it will be starting, and it will go up to which one? This 24th August, right? So everybody, the class timing will be from which one to which one? 5:30 PM to 7:30 PM is the class timing, you can say, right? 5:30 to 7:30, right? 5:30 to 7:30, right? 5:30 to 7:30 PM you will be having the classes, okay? And the classes will be from Monday to Saturday. Is that clear? The brief introduction? Yes, JE, every JE examination, every AE examination, that level of examinations, it will be useful, okay? There, for all such kind of examinations, now it will be useful, absolutely, okay? For all such kind of examinations, it will be useful, right? All same level examinations, it will be useful, right? And we said we'll be solving the PVQs also, no? For every topic we'll be solving 20 years PVQs, we said we'll be solving, no? So in the plus course itself we'll be solving, okay? So in the free courses we'll be doing that quick revision of other subjects which are not covered now, okay? Like that. Clear everyone? What is the course starting and what are the days of this course, and how many days will be having the class and what is the time? Monday to Saturday, yes, Monday to Saturday you are having it. Yes, either it is mentioned now, Monday to Saturday. Monday to Saturday you are having these classes, okay? Monday to Saturday you will be having these classes definitely, okay? Right. Clear everyone? Anyone having any doubt in this course duration, course timing and days of this week? And Sunday you will be having which one? And on a Sunday you will be having which one? This test you will be having. right? Yeah, SSC JE mains also, right? Because it is not a conventional, no? So this SSC JE means there is no conventional paper, only you will be having this objective paper, is na? And 1/3 of negative mark in both our prelims and this mains, you can say. So we will be keeping the target as SSC JE mains, and other state examinations also we are teaching na, is na? Yeah. Yes, just like prelims only, but a little higher level, right? But they are having which one? This just a little higher level than which one? This is prelims, you can say, right? They are having just a higher level than prelims, you can say. Okay, got it? Just a higher level than prelims you are having. Okay, got it? So, and state examinations, if you just observe, whenever you are preparing for this AE level, automatically this AE level preparation will be sufficient enough for your mains also, no? Isn't it? Even though they are making it tough, how much tough they can make? They cannot go beyond which one? They cannot go beyond this AE level, they cannot go beyond this AW level, no? Conventional state examination, which state examination you are having conventional? DRS Thakur? Which state examination you are having conventional paper? I think as far as my knowledge, mostly all the papers will be objective only. Which state? Which state? Thakur, you are from which state? Tell me. HPPSC, okay, okay. Yesterday you said, na, today morning you said, na, sorry. Yeah, Himachal Pradesh Public Service Commission. Okay, you just text me, you just send the details of that notification to me. Okay, so we'll try to do all this, right? New pattern, it has come like that. Okay, don't worry, we'll try to cover it regarding that also, but in the plus courses, objective will cover mostly, right? So if that is there, we'll try to do this, right? You just text me, you just send me the details. When the notification came, Thakur? When the notification came for that, Krup Sagar, good afternoon, sorry, good evening. When the notification came, Thakur, you just send me the notification details, right? I'll be giving my number. Okay, 7013535292, right? This is my number. Just text me the details, right? We'll do accordingly, right? Don't worry, right? So, but you have to take did you take subscription already, Thakur? Okay, then it will be, everything will be covered, don't worry, right? We'll try to see whatever the possibility is there for that, right? We'll do definitely, okay? No need to worry. And coming to this, you subscribe to this plus course and enroll for this complete course on this surveying, right? So if you just wanted to enroll for this ये course AEJ वालों के लिए है क्या? Yes, yes, this is for AEJ वालों के लिए, right? So state examination, right? This course is for which one? This AEJE वालों के लिए mainly, right? This is mainly for which one? This AEJE people only, okay? Because this batch is corresponding to what? This batch is corresponding to which one? State AEJE. Yes, Shadab Aslam. Okay, okay. Right, I'll check, don't worry. I'll check after the class, don't worry, right? So state JE AE examinations and SSC JE, right? State AE JE examinations and SSC JE you'll be having, okay? And for this course, Monday to Saturday you'll be having the classes, and on Sunday you'll be having which one? This test or quiz will be there, right? So weekly quiz will be there, right? Whatever the topics we are completing on the week, na, is another year. If you just observe, tomorrow we are starting. Yeah, okay, okay, no problem. AG subscription, English wala you have taken or Hindi wala you have taken? This is mainly for this English course. See, Monday to Saturday we'll be discussing a few topics, na? Is Nadia. Whatever the topics we'll discuss from Monday to Saturday, on Sunday you will be having the test on them. Okay, got it? Understood? What is the meaning of this test or quiz? At the same time, 5:30 to 7:30 you will be having that, right? You will be having this, right? Yes, now. Okay, subscription, yeah, but sir, I'm comfortable with English. Yeah, you are comfortable with English, but this is English, na? Mainly, this is English goal only, no? Completely. This is English goal only, no? Completely. Yeah, this is different, right? This is different, right? So previously that SSC JE which was there, that is only for this English, but this is for which one? This English, right? This is only for this English, okay? All PVQs. SSC JE up to 2022 हो गया, अभी 2023, right? Yeah, PYQs will be covering all. what are the subjects will be doing in the plus course now, those PYQs will be covered in the plus classes itself, and other PYQs will be doing which one is in the special classes. So that what will happen, all PYQs will be covered, right? Quick revision of other subjects, right? I think that is there in Hindi, right? That is there in Hindi, it seems, right? Other subject subscription was there in Hindi. Okay, it was there in Hindi, and this is only for which one? This is only there for which one? This English. Okay, this batch is only for English, you can say mainly. But don't worry, Anjali, you will be comfortable only. No need to worry, right? You will be much more comfortable with our English. We will not be using Shashi Tharoor like English, will be just using Sudhamurthy like English only. Okay, no need to worry about it, right? Language does not problem, right? No need to worry about it. Yeah. So coming to this, how many of you are having idea? So whichever you are having, that you should have the syllabus knowledge first of all, right? You should have the knowledge of syllabus first of all. Without having the knowledge of syllabus now, so is there any use of preparing for any examination? No, you cannot prepare for any examination, right? Without any, right? Yeah, this is new syllabus, right? Latest wala syllabus, right? Latest wala syllabus, this is actually, okay? So SSC JE syllabus, if you just observe, principles of surveying is there, measurement of these distances, right? So principles of this surveying is nothing but that is your basics part na. That is your basics part na. What are the different types of surveying is there? Principles of surveying, there are some 4 or 5 principles you are having, right? Working from whole to part is na. Any third point can be located based on the first 2 points, right? Like that you will be having na. Measurement of distances, right? How can you measure the distances? Measurement of distance by means of which one? This is a chain survey na, aisa no. But here measurement of distance is separately given, right? What does it mean, you can say? Here it is a chain surveying is also separately given, right? What is the meaning of it, you can say, everyone? What is the meaning of it if you just observe? What is the meaning of it if you just observe? The meaning of it is there are other methods also you are having, right? What are the other methods you are having? So that pacing, right? So you will be counting with the foot and you will be taking that number, right? Counting that steps counter will be having, right? So that pace method also will be there na, right? All these kinds of methods will be having, right? So many kind of methods are there, right? So those methods also you have to include in this, right? Methods of distances, right? Got it, everyone? Along with that, chain measurement also, chain surveying also we have to go for, right? Because chain surveying is mainly useful for which purpose, you can say? Distance measurement only. Now working of this prismatic compass, next compass traversing, bearings, local attraction, like that you are having, right? Is now. So prismatic compass only, right? Surveying compass is mentioned. As surveying compass, regarding the surveying compass it is not mentioned. Regarding the surveyor's compass it is not mentioned, right? So in the prismatic compass mainly, which parts you have to note it? In which bearing system it is the graduations are made, right? Whole circle bearing system or this quadrantal bearing system, the graduations are made, you should have idea. And along with that, what is the use of this prism and how the dimensions will be there, right? So that needle will be indicating the dimensions or not, right? Those kind of things you have to go for, right? Okay, so those are the working things of this prismatic compass, right? Compass traversing, what is that? So we'll be having this line, this so you'll be taking which one, and you'll be taking which one? These angles, and you'll be taking the bearings as well as which one? You'll be taking the bearings as well as the lengths of which one? These different lines of a closed connected lines geometry. Na? So whenever it is, what is that you can say? Interconnected lines are there, for which you are measuring the angles as well as the distances, then it is called as traverse, right? It can be, if it is closed like this, closed traverse. If it is open like this, you can call it as open traverse, right? Like that. Yes, little change is there, right? Little change is there, but not that much, okay? Don't worry, it is not that much. Now plane table surveying, right? In the plane table surveying also, what are the things important to be noted? The different things in the plane table surveying are which one? So different methods of this plane table surveying and instruments in the plane table surveying is also very important, right? So what is the purpose of these instruments, you can say? Because mainly the plane table surveying, lot many instruments will be having, na? Is that no? Plane table surveying, right? You will be having this lot many instruments or not? So usage of each and every instrument and how they are working, right? So different methods, radiation, resection, right? Do you remember that orientation? Is not? And 2-point problem, 3-point problem, right? These kind of things you have to go for, right? Next, theodolite traversing. So what is that theodolite traversing, everyone? What is that theodolite traversing, you can say? So measurement of same distances and angles with the help of theodolite, right? So how can you measure the distance with respect to theodolite? D equal to Ks plus C, na? Yeah, tell me Pratik. Tell me Pratik. Not too changed, little change, right? Little change is there, right? Not that much changed. Okay, the basic topics are kept as it is only, right? So why to worry about the old syllabus, right? You just focus on this new syllabus, right? Okay, why to worry about the old syllabus? I already answered that question, right? Just to focus on this new syllabus, because the exam question paper will be given from this only, no? So no need to worry about the old, right? Whatever it is happened, happened, let it be, no problem, right? So distance will be measuring, right? And how to measure these horizontal angles and how to measure these vertical angles, and that fast needle method, loose needle method, right? Included angle method, the deflection angle method. Do you remember that? These kind of things will be having. Okay. Next, adjustment of this theodolite, right? Temporary adjustments and permanent adjustments will be having. Na? So temporary adjustments means, right, which one will be doing first is setting up of the instrument, then what is that, leveling and focusing. Na? So these are the three temporary adjustments. Permanent adjustments, if you just observe, vertical axis and horizontal axis must be perpendicular to each other. Isn't it? Horizontal axis and this line of collimation must be perpendicular to each other. Right? Those kind of things will be having, right? Everyone. And leveling. So whenever it comes to the leveling, right? What is that leveling? Definition of terms used in the leveling, right? So what is that reduced level? What is the datum, right? Isn't it? So what is a benchmark, right? How many types of benchmarks are there, right? Like that. Is it clear, everyone? These are all the things will be there in this leveling, you can say, is not? And that's it. Definition of terms used in the leveling, right? Definition of terms used in the leveling they have given, right? Definition of terms used in the leveling they have given. That's it. Okay. Next, contouring. What? Contouring, curvature and refraction corrections, right? Whenever curvature and refraction corrections are mentioned, means we should know how to calculate the reduced levels, na? Height of instrument and rise and fall method we should know definitely, is not? And curvature and diffraction corrections, right? And based on that, right, what we'll go for? So we'll go for which one? This one, na? So horizon, distance of this visible horizon when ship is moving in a sea. So at how much distance it is there from the lighthouse which we are having on the bank, we can identify, na? Is that no? Like that. Next, temporary and permanent adjustments of a dumpy level. Almost if you just observe theodolite and this level, you will be having the similar kind of adjustments, right? Temporary adjustments are almost the same, right? But permanent adjustments are little different. Okay. Temporary adjustments of this level and theodolite are same, but only which one are different, you can say? The permanent adjustments are little different. Okay. Next, methods of contouring, direct method, indirect method. So in that indirect also different methods, right? What is the advantage and disadvantage of these methods you will be having, and uses of contour map, and also characteristics of this contour lines also we have to go for it. Whenever it is mentioned as contouring, na, characteristics of this contour lines also we should look into this here, because whenever the lines are very much far away, it is which one? Very small slope. Whenever the lines are closer, you can say that it is a steep slope. Steep slope, lines are close to each other. Small slope, what is it? You can say flatter gradient or flatter slope, right? What is it? You can have these lines are away from each other, right? When to call it as a hill, when to call it as a this one valley, right? Like that you'll be having. So no, good evening. So like that all these things will be having, right? Characteristics of this contouring, methods of contouring and everything, right? Uses of this contour map, right? Next, tachyometric surveying. Tachyometric surveying, right? So what is it? Tachyometric surveying, you can say if you just observe. Whenever you call it as a tachyometry, right? What is the meaning of this tachyometry, you can say? If you are using only the central crosshair, you call it as theodolite. But if you are using which one? But if you are using this upper stadia here and this lower stadia here, right? What is that you are calling it as? You call it as a tachyometer, right? As now. So tachyometer constant D equal to that Ks plus C. This is multiplying constant. That is your additive constant, like that you are having. Okay. Next, curve setting. So curve setting means, right, horizontal curves, different methods. Ordinates from the which one? Long chord. Whenever you are having this long chord, that is from this long chord you will be having these ordinates, no? Like that everything will be having, right? So different methods will be having. So ordinates from this tangent, this is your tangent. If you can identify these points on this curve from this tangent, like that many methods will be there in the curve setting, right? So earthwork calculations, right? What is that earthwork calculation? Tell me exactly here. What is the meaning of this earthwork calculations here? What it tells all of you? Volumes and area calculations, na? Yes or no? Earthwork calculation is mainly involving which one? This areas and volume calculations only, right? And now advanced surveying equipment, right? What is that advanced surveying equipment you are having? That is the total station. Is the one example of your advanced surveying equipment, right? That's it, right? Or minor instruments, we'll see, right? There is a topic, we'll be calling it as minor instruments. That topic we'll be discussing. Okay, is that clear? What is the syllabus of SSC JE, right? Is it clear, everyone? Anyone having any doubts? No, no. So इसमें है क्या triangulation? Triangulation है क्या इसमें? Is there any triangulation here in this SSC JE? No triangulation is mentioned. Is there any aerial photogrammetry mentioned? No aerial photogrammetry. Is there any remote sensing GS and GPS? No remote sensing GS and GPS. Error, theory of errors is there? No theory of errors, right? Is there any field astronomy? No field astronomy, right? So compared to GATE syllabus, some only 60% will be having, you can say. Okay, GATE and ESC syllabus together. Compared to that, all topics are not there, right? Up to which one? Is areas and volumes only, right? You do not have these many topics, is not? Yes, जो mentioned हुआ उससे questions आएगा, right? Yes, whatever it is mentioned in the syllabus ना, from them only they will give the questions, right? If they are giving syllabus means what is the need, what is the purpose of that giving the syllabus? From them only you will get the questions, right? That is the only purpose of giving the syllabus. Got it? Clear, everyone? SSC JE का syllabus, SSC JE surveying syllabus is clear, everyone? Is not right? Now this is the TSPSC Polytechnic lecturer syllabus for surveying. If you just observe. So principles and classification of surveying, chain survey, compass survey, leveling and contouring. Yes, yes. Because this is actually, what is that you can say? This is actually which one? JE level. Na? This is JE level means a JE examination, and that too based on the diploma level syllabus. So diploma, do you have advanced surveying and everything you will be having? No, no. We do not have advanced things in the diploma level, right? So that is why only the basic level things are there in this. Okay, yeah. Same syllabus was there, but if you just observe little modification, not that much, right? Little, very little modification was there. Okay, this minor instrument something was also there, but here it is not there. Okay, you have to observe that. Okay, but you need not worry. Yes, GS and GPS will be the advanced surveying, you can say. Okay, principle of classification, because that is different, this is different, na? Yes, yes, my classes. KP sir will be starting from August 15th or August 15th mostly he'll be starting, or 10th he'll be starting. Myself will be starting from tomorrow. So my class will be at which one? 5:30. So KP sir will take in the morning 11 o'clock. So there is no clash, na? Both classes will be running simultaneously. Okay, both classes will be KP sir and my classes will be running simultaneously. There is no clash, no need to worry. Okay. So here, principles and classification of surveying, chain survey, compass survey, leveling and contouring, theodolite survey, curves, introduction to fundamental concepts of electronic measuring instruments, EDM, total station. Yes, if you just observe, this is indirectly mentioned here. Now, what is it indirectly mentioned here? Advanced surveying equipment, right? I will take survey at present, and at the end of this I'll start, right? Okay, based on the situation I will be starting another also, right? But at present I'll start survey only. At the end I'll see, okay, which one is possible, right? At the end of this June I'll start at 5:30 to 7:30. Every day class will be there. Okay, Monday to Saturday classes will be there from 5:30 to 7:30. Okay. But if any subject is needed, I'll be adding in the morning session, right? Once all classes are started, then we'll know which one are the free slots available for us, right? After that, okay. General studies subjects also will be starting now again. General studies, general knowledge, they will also be starting now. Aptitude, so those faculty also will be starting now. Once they also come now, then we'll plan others also, right? Once everything is finalized. Timings clash should not happen, right? So here, what is that there? Apart from that, components of this GPS and basics of this GIS, right? So only this basic part is there here, right? And if you just observe this TSPSC AE also, almost the same syllabus will be there. If you just observe, right? Almost which one? Same syllabus will be there. You can say, right? There is no difference, right? And in the other examinations also will be having which one? This is same syllabus, right? Here If you just observe, these are the topics. I have divided that into which one? These topics. Fundamentals of surveying is there or not? Yes. Linear measurements, chain and tape is there or not? Yes. Compass survey is there or not? Yes. Theodolite is there or not? Yes. Plane table is there, leveling is there, contouring is there. But this theory of errors and survey adjustments is there or not there? It is not there. Okay. Because it is very much advanced topic actually, right? It is not there. Traverse adjustments and omitted measurements also, anywhere it is there. Theodolite traverse, have you observed everyone? Theodolite traverse in the JE syllabus, right? Have you seen that? Somewhere it is there, na? Where it is? Theodolite traverse, we have just seen, right? Adjustment of tachyometric survey, theodolite traverse is there, na? Which is working prismatic compass, bearing, introduction, okay, adjustment of theodolite, leveling, okay. Where is another traversing? Tachyometric survey, curve setting. I think third line, okay. Adjustment of theodolite, leveling, definition terms used in the, okay. Theodolite, yeah, see I have rounded up but I am not getting it, okay. Theodolite traversing is there, na? So that a theodolite traversing means that what is that you are having? That a latitude and departure, do you remember? Latitude and departure, and from that independent coordinates and these dependent coordinates will be having, right? Those topics will be there, right? So this traverse and adjustment topic is also there, you can say, but omitted measurements is not there, okay? Omitted measurements is not there. It is just a numerical part, right? It is just a numerical, fully numerical part. It is not there, okay? Don't worry. Areas and volumes, yes, it is there, na? But in this some of this syllabus, it is not there, right? You have to be careful, right? Curves, it is there. Trigonometric leveling is not there, yes, na? This trigonometric leveling is not there, but tachyometric surveying, it is there, na? Tachyometric surveying, it is there. Triangulation concepts is not there, you can say, right? Aerial photogrammetry, did you find aerial photogrammetry in any one of the syllabus? No aerial photogrammetry in any syllabus, right? Field astronomy is not there, right? So this is also not there, right? What is it you are having? This remote sensing, GIS and GPS. If you just observe, GIS and GPS is there, here nothing is there, right? Remote sensing is also not there, right? So here generally, right, what is it you are having? That GIS and this GPS part only you are having, right? This remote sensing part is not there. So now you understand? It will be Hindi, it will be English, right? Bipin to do, it will be English, right? It is not Hindi, okay? Yeah, this slide is full surveying, right? I am telling from this full surveying, right, which topics are available, which topics are there in our syllabus, right? Which topics are not there in our syllabus, right? Did you get that idea? Yes, no? So if any any of your state PSC is missing any topic from this, now you just tell me, I will be adding it, okay? I will be discussing that, right? All of you. English I am speaking, Bipin to do. You are not able to understand what I am speaking. The classes will be in English only, right? Not in Hindi, right? Okay, right. Clear everyone? The syllabus, which will be having the syllabus, this advanced surveying like aerial photogrammetry is not there, field astronomy is not there, remote sensing is not there, right? As now, apart from this, and this which one? Triangulation concepts are also not there. Is now theory of errors is also not there, right? These are all difficult topics of GATE and ESC are not there in your state AEJE, na? Everyone. Difficult topics of this state GATE and ESC are not there in the state AEJE and SSC JE, right? So now it will become easy or difficult to tell me? The surveying will become very easy, na? Now the surveying will become very easy or not now? So now coming to this, whenever you are having this SSC JE examination, right, what is the weightage you are having? If you just observe, in some of the examination they have given 14 questions, 14 marks. In some of the examination they have given 9 also, right? So you take 9 to 14, average 10 to 12 marks you can take, okay? 9 to 14 questions you will be getting from surveying, and how many marks you can say? 9 to 14 marks you will be getting. 9 to 14 marks means it is very large or very small weightage, tell me. Yeah, yes, Bipin to do. Is very large weightage you will be getting or very small weightage you will be getting, right? Very large weightage, huge weightage you will be having, na? Is or no? Right? You cannot neglect it, right? That is why we will be starting first, right? First we will be starting which one? First we will be starting the huge, bigger weightage subjects. Then after that we will be going for the smaller weightage subjects, okay? Right now. If you observe in the state examinations, also, you will be having the weightage from which one? So some 5 to 9 marks you will be having. Yes, you can be able to solve all the questions, definitely. See here, what is the time they have given? 2 hours time only they are giving, but how many questions? 200 questions. 120 minutes time they are giving, but 200 questions. So for each and every question, lesser than 1 minute time only you have to allocate enough. So then what does it mean? They will be giving you questions of which one? These very small questions of very small very small chota bacha questions they will be giving, right? They will not be giving that much depth questions. But in the mains, mostly in the prelims, calculation questions will not be there. Yes, in paper 1, yeah, means prelims calculation questions will not be there, right? Numerical questions may not be there. Only formula based they will ask. Just if s equal to 1 by 2, that kind of questions are there, they will be asking this kind 1 by 2 of x. This kind of questions they may ask. But mostly this also they will not ask, it seems. But very simple calculations, 6th class calculations, students calculations they will ask. But in the mains how many questions you are having? 100 questions only you are having, but 300 marks you are having. 100 questions only you are having, but 300 marks you are having. So it is a small weightage or it is a huge weightage? 100 questions, 300 marks you are having. So therefore, right, what you can say? Then what you can say, previously when it was conventional, you used to get 30 marks almost from the surveying. Okay, so 10 to 14 marks from in the prelims from surveying, and almost 30 marks you used to get from the conventional papers. So if you consider the same weightage also, 30 marks you can get it, right? So definitely, so 30 marks means, right, how many? Almost 10 questions you can get it, same weightage mostly. Okay, big questions means they will not be that much big questions, right? So SSC JE, this is a prelims you can say. SSC JE mains, whenever you are considering that SSC JE mains, the questions level will be what? Level of questions will be what? State AEW level questions. Okay, got it? Right, got it now? State AEW level questions will be having, right? So whenever so our preparation will be, right, our teaching will be corresponding to which one? This uh, mains pattern and state AEW level questions also, right? So that what will happen whenever we are solving that state AEW questions, automatically that SSC JE mains pattern also will be covered, right? So at a time we are doing for both, right? We are not doing separately. Okay, mains separately, prelims separately. It is not like that. So once you are completing surveying course, you could be capable of answering the mains questions as well as prelims questions from this, right? That is what the intention actually. Any subject will do like that only. Okay, with the PYQs and quick revision sessions and everything will be there, right? Clear everyone? So anyone having any doubts? So this other state examinations also 5 to 9 marks you will be getting from which one? From this surveying. So you cannot miss this, right? You cannot miss this actually, right? It is a very huge weightage. This is 5 to 9 marks, and sometimes you'll be having that 15 in, if you consider the examinations like MPSC, they'll be giving more than this also, right? So is that clear everyone? The weightage in different examinations and the syllabus, what we are going to cover, and what is the course details, course duration, everything, all of you? Clear everyone? Clear all of you? Right. So here we'll just go for this, right? What is that? Clear everyone? No. So those who did not subscribe to this plus courses, you subscribe, because today will be the last date, right? Because today will be the last date of which one? Of this offer. After today, the prices are going to be increased, so don't miss this opportunity, right? I'm just pinning this link. So this link I'm pinning here. If you did not take subscription, you just take it, and if any of your friends are taking also, you just share this link with them, and you can just give my contact number also to them, right? So that what will happen, right? They are having any doubts, they can ask, right? How we are going to cover up the entire syllabus within the available times. Okay, right? Shall I close the session? Thank you all of you. I'll be closing the session. Thank you everyone. right? Have a good day. We'll meet tomorrow at 5:30 p.m. Okay, thank you.